Hey there, and welcome to the Jon's Talk. I'm Jon Toshmatov, and I'm excited to have you here. With over 16 years of experience in tech industry, working with companies of all sizes, including giants like IBM, I've learned a thing or two that I'm eager to share with you. Here on the Jon's Talk, you'll find tutorials in popular programming languages from PHP to Python and beyond, where I break it down, essential concepts, best practices, and even share some of my mistakes and failures. Because let's be honest, learning from mistakes is just as important as getting it right. But that's not all. I'll also be inviting guests from across the IT industry, experts and innovators who bring unique perspectives and valuable insights. Together, we'll explore topics that matter to both beginners and experienced professionals. Our channel is geared towards a USA and international audience. I speak English, Russian, and Uzbek, so we'll make sure these insights are accessible to wider community. So if you're interested in technology, career growth, or getting behind the scene look at the IT world, hit the subscribe button and let's dive into the journey together. Welcome to the Jon's Talk.